Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can align objects in Photopea. Let's say you have three different objects or texts or let's say pictures, and you want to align them next to each other or next to each other, and you want to do it all at once. So it's very easy. In Photopea, you are allowed to use shift click, which is basically like you are going to include every single layer together. You just press shift and then click on second one and the third image. Now they are all together. You can also scratch it out like that, and you can move with them at the same time. But Photopea is adding another feature which is kind of neat, and that is align left edges. Or you can align by this block, align left edges, so every single one is aligned to the left of the first image. It's kinda not very good example because every single object is the same, so let's do it like that. We have now only one. Let's create another one which is also green, and let's make it red, and let's go with this one, and this one will be blue. Now we are going to scratch all the edges, and now we can simply align them to the left or to the center or to the right. Funny how the shape number 1 is on this screen black, but actually it's green. We can align them on top, to the right, and so on and so on. If you want to just reverse the action, you can basically unclick those three layers. And that's about it. That's how you play around with the images and how you can align them in Photopea. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.